Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you system of equation that I want us to solve for the value of x and y when given x plus y is equal to 5, xy is equals to 5. So what shall we do? So our first step, we shall begin by labeling this as our equation 1 and this as our equation 2, right? So in our next step, using equation 1, we can now make y our subject. So equation 1, which is x plus y is equal to 5. So let us make y the subject. So y is equal to 5, then bringing x to our right. So this is minus x. So we have y is equal to 5 minus x. So using equation 2, so equation 2, where we have xy is equal to 5. We are going to substitute y, which is 5 minus x, in our equation 2. So x into y, which is 5 minus x, is equal to 5. So let us now open the bracket. So x times 5, this is 5x. X times x, this is x squared, is equal to 5, right? So next, let us bring 5 to our left hand side. So 5x minus x squared minus 5 is equal to 0. So we can rearrange this. So this is negative x squared plus 5x minus 5 is equal to 0. So in our next step is to eliminate this negative here. So we shall do so by multiplying everything with negative 1. So negative x squared times negative 1, negative times negative, this becomes positive. So then this is x squared. 5x times negative 1, this becomes negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 1, this becomes positive 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so we formed a nice quadratic equation, and we can solve it using the quadratic formula, where x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So x is equal to negative b. So our b here is the coefficient of x, which is negative 5. So we shall have negative into negative 5, which is our b, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is negative 5 squared minus 4. A is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. So times 1 times our c is this constant here, which is 5 over 2 times a, which is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. So x is equal to negative times negative, this is positive 5, plus or minus the square root of negative 5 squared, this gives us 25, minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 5 is 20, over 2 times 1 is 2. So let us continue. X is equals to 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. So from this point we have two values of x. So x, the first value of x, is equal to 5 plus root 5 over 2. Or the second value of x is equal to 5 minus the square root of 5 over 2. So we now have two values of x. We can find the value of y. So using equation 3. So this was our equation 3. This was our equation 3. Let us now get the value of y. So y is equal to 5 minus x. So let us use x1. Y is equal to 5 minus, so into bracket 5 plus root 5 over 2, right? So let us make our denominators to be 2. So y is equal to, so to make this to be our denominator to be 2, we shall write it as 10 over 2, which is basically 5, minus into bracket 5 plus root 5 over 2. So let us look for the LCM, which is 2. So y is equal to, so 2 into 2, this is 1. 1 times 10, it's 10. Minus, we have 2 into 2 is 1. Then we shall have 1 times 5, this is 5. Then we have this times this is negative. Then this will be negative square root 5, right? So y is equal to 10 minus 5, this is 5 minus root 5 over 2. So this is the first value of y. So when our x is this, our y is this. So let us now look for the second value of y using x2. So the second value of y is equal to 5 minus x. So y is equal to 5 minus, into bracket, 5 minus root 5 over 2. So let's make our denominator to be 2. So then this will be y is equal to 10 over 2 minus bracket 5 root minus 5 root 5 over 2. So y is equal to, our LCM here is 2. So 2 into 2, this is 1. 1 times 10, this gives us 10. Then minus 5, negative times negative, this is positive root 5. So our second value of y then becomes, so 10 minus 5, this is y2 is equals to 5 plus root 5 over 2. So let us write all the value of x and y. So when we have x1, comma, y1, this will become, so we have x1 here, which is 5 plus root 5 over 2, comma, we have a y1 here, which is 5 minus root 5 over 2. So x2, comma, y2. We have, when x2, which is here, so this is 5 minus root 5 over 2, comma, y2, which is 5 plus root 5 over 2. So these are the values of x and y respectively. So remember to like, subscribe and comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and